Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English by Speaking. I am Punamaku and Notada Learn English by Speaking at Taram Nokshiri. Ngasisi koi transformation of sentence ki maram da tamgani. Today we will learn about the transformation of sentences. So when we converse or we talk with someone, we need to use simple, compound, and complex sentences. So today we will learn about a part of clause. So many people are used to ask about the clause. Clause is means, according to the grammar, it is a group of words that has a subject and a verb. Clause ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯅꯤ ꯚꯔꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯚꯔꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯅꯤ it can express a complete idea ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯂꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ she sings ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯦꯟꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯝꯗ ꯃꯥ sings ꯏꯁꯩ ꯁꯛꯏ she sings ꯃꯥ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯁꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ complete idea ꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ complete idea ꯂꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ independent clause ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ main clause independent ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯣꯝꯇ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯑꯔꯊ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ when she sings ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯤ when ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨ when she sings ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯁꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ not a complete idea ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ she sings ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ when she sings ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ not a complete idea ꯅꯤ idea ꯗꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ dependent clause ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ subordinate clause ꯀꯧꯔꯦ subordinate clause ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ dependent clause ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ clause ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ subject ꯑꯃ verb ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯀꯥꯡꯂꯨꯞ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ types of clause ꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯏ independent clause main clause can stand alone and make sense ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯔꯊ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯃꯊꯟꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯆꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ I went to school ꯑꯩ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯆꯠꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦꯀꯣ dependent clause ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ subordinate clause clause ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ cannot stand alone depend on another clause amagi makhada maji arthadi phongdokpa ngamni mapan tangwam changeba se kodam oina because I was late because I was late ai thien khiba maram oibana haire because I was late masi sabji ama bhag ama jawi adubu masai mathanda phongdokpa ngamde aduna masi subordinate clause ni clause ani se join taw tare si when you join them muji punjalaji I went to school because I was late adidi masi complex tare complex tan oigre jo kasagi close ani si taisinabu kanda I went to school because I was late habisi taisinarga sentence ama semgre ai henkhiba maram na school chatkhi haire ko adudi I was late so I went to school so haibi ayaba ai henkhi maram so maram aduna ai school chatkhi haire ko amana complex sentence ni amana compound sentence ni adigi simple da hai targadi I went to school simple sentence clause ama independent clause the I was late sisu independent clause adigi ani si taishanar targadi koina I was late so I went to school natragana I went to school because I was late adundi simple su compound su complex su akoi koi converse tawba matamda either converse or write koina iba natraga ngangwada koina simple sentence compound sentence complex sentence ahum makse loi changne adubu madugi maramdani aina mayamda hajaningise aina mayamda muka hajaningise ngasagi close one se haidi subject ama ba ama yawa complete idea phungdokpa sentence I was late sisu independent clause ne adagi close to anisuba subject ama ba ama yawa sentence to I went to school su ne sisu independent clause ne independent clause ani se join to kanda koina subordinating conjunction natraga coordinating conjunction subordinating conjunction hai taragadi akoina because gumba adagi although gumba since gumba adagi when gumba while gumba sini subordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction hairagadi akoina for gumba and gumba adagi nor gumba adi but gumba or gumba yet gumba so gumba si taret che duna coordinating conjunction the taret aduga subordinating conjunction the 20 to 25 track na ko si layab adul si akoina masi ngangba natraga iba matamda akoy loy sinagadoineba. So we need to understand how to use them, and then grammar is more important, but speaking is more better than study more about the grammar. The grammar dagi koina grammar su tai nei nagani aduga speaking su atu ani se practice to sakadam ne writing ama hindi ate. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for the next video. Bye bye.